How much time you got? A lot? Okay. After your pass and taxing up to take off. All right.
I'm good. I'm gonna watch you guys the rest of the day. It's fun. Volume
70. All right. What? You're fine. All right, crazy man going up.
Oh, look at the light.
Flaps up.
Flaps are up this time. It didn't affect anything, Rand.
Yeah, it shouldn't.
It's the same as it was.
It shouldn't.
Yeah.
And it weighs nothing.
Nah, that's nothing there. Okay, blasting from the left.
That's the reason why I wanted to use a small boat, so it won't affect the airflow.
No, it didn't affect it at all. It's just like the motor was extended a little bit. This will be a medium pass.
Time remaining.
You use a zip tie in order
Yeah.
to hold it down?
Yeah.
No glue?
No glue. Just a zip tie.
Yeah.
But I put the, you know, that one little bump that shows on the zip tie, I put that underneath where the wires are, so it's not going to be in the way.
Yeah.
Okay, fast pass from the left. Hey Frank, I'm doing one from the right.
And with the right angle, you can actually see the light from far. No, that's kind of cool, you know.
It is.
I saw that from far away.
It is. You can see it a long ways away.
Yeah.
Especially when you do that. Oh, almost hit the seagull.
Playing chickens with each other?
I gotta set up. Landing!
30 seconds.
Is there any car?
Car. Nope. Oh,
You're
okay.
good, Frank. What hole? Good.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
I don't know why. It's been like almost a month. Oh.
Okay, fast pass from the right. I like it, Rand.
Yeah, it's nice. I'm gonna start selling those.
Nick's trying to call me. He's like, where
Are you?
Probably gonna call me later. I'm not feeling. I'm not feeling it.
I'm feeling it now.
You just got to get used to it. It's not that
Yeah,
bad.
you gotta get used to it.
I can find the MiG over here, but I'm not liking it. That's the problem.
That's more of a reason to fly it, because then you get over. Then you get over it.
Come on, we all have been initiated,
The
man.
holes is what sealed the deal for me.
Just keep it running fast, it just skips right over it.
Yeah, exactly.
No problem.
If you break it like, you know, in a good way, so you won't be able to...
Whoa, bumps! Whoa, shit! Whoa, whoa. I'm hitting bumps and stuff. Dude, there's bumps everywhere. It jumped in the air.
It's almost like Skyfall.
Shock absorbing gear for sure. Don't have one.
My gear. The T45 there needs to be less chocolate.
See, I don't want to reach the point
Oh,
where performance
see,
is
it just went through it.
solving part of the deal.
Yeah, don't look at this one closely because it's hideous.
No, my F-5 looks so clean. I put the gear doors on.
We can put the gear doors back now.
Yeah, I put everything back on.
I have the gear doors